Does your kids love Pokemon? Well, I'm telling you guys right now, the Halloween trick or trade for 2024, they are going to love. So I've opened a couple, I call these booster bags, and I have a couple sealed. So if your kid is really, really into it, you could get them one to keep sealed and one to open to try and collect the set. So let's go ahead and show you guys the cards that you get inside. Now, I'm not going to open all the packs because we do want to give some of these for Halloween. They make amazing gifts. Instead of just candy, you can give them for kids for Halloween. But we did open some so you guys can see what they look like. And oh, that is amazing. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, I love Pikachu as well. Those foil cards. Look at the swirl. So cool. Guys, these are amazing. I think these are better than the previous years by far. I love how they did around the border as well. Like they did the hollow all around the card. That is so cool. So that is a sample, guys. Definitely, I think this might be my favorite year so far.